and today's restaurant of choice, Abeba Grocery. They've been open since 1995 and have the usual full array of menu items with reasonable prices. Make sure you stop by. The shop was very, very cute with an excellent feng shui and open layout. And of course, there's the coffee, which they offer to everybody, which is stronger than Starbucks. Of course, you see the teff flour and all the usual coffee pots, teas, spices, injera, food to go, and other items for sale, which make up the grocery part of it. It's very traditional of an Ethiopian store restaurant. It's very, very cute. And I love all the decor. It's excellent art everywhere. Of course, all the jewelry, and you just gotta love sitting there. This is the spicy beef tip without the jalapeno, and also what they call potato carrot with lots and lots of injera. Another glorious, glorious Ethiopian meal. Those were beef tips. I asked them not to put jalapenos, knowing that whatever else was left in there would be hot. Now, if you like super, super spicy, we're talking like Szechuan Chinese spicy, get the jalapenos. But if you like more of the, what I call Texas chili hot, where it like warms your stomach from the bottom up, skip the jalapenos. But beef tips is one of my absolute favorites. It's perfectly juicy with the tomatoes and the onions, and they cook it for like all these hours, and it's always perfect no matter what. There's plenty of injera because I'm not that good at eating without silverware. I didn't realize that my nails would get in the way so much with all the food that got stuck in them. Because like I said, they don't use silverware. That thin, bubbly pancake is what they use for silverware. And it's delicious. So wonderfully delicious. Especially if you already like sourdough flavors. It's another great place to go eat. It's a mom and pop shop, family owned. I'm so glad I found them. I really do like Ethiopian food that much, mostly for the injera. And the kick up of spice, and it's supporting a small business and not a corporation. I could have easily gone to McDonald's and spent $15, and that would have gone to God knows where, to what country. I supported this country, and I had some really interesting, what some people would consider foreign cuisine, but is it really that foreign if it's where you're from? No, it's not. I feel healthier for it. Really, it is healthy homemade food every time. So, find something healthy near you.